How to make money online. Start blogging. Blogging is a popular way of making money online. You can start a blog on a niche that interests you and monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning commissions on each sale. You can join an affiliate program and promote products through your blog, social media, and email list. Start survey. You can make money by taking online surveys through websites like Valued, Opinions, LifePoints, Swagbucks, Survey Junkies, or Toluna, etc. Sell online course. You can create and sell online course on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific, etc. You can teach skill like programming, marketing, or cooking. Start freelancing. You can work as an online freelancer and provide services like writing, designing, or programming on a platform like Fiverr or Freelancer. Become a social media manager. You can manage social media account for businesses and help to grow their audience and engagement. Create YouTube channel. You can create and upload videos to YouTube and monetize them through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Start coaching online. You can offer coaching services online for various topics like fitness, nutrition, or anything you can teach. Write and sell books online. You can write and sell ebook on topic you are good at, and start selling them on Amazon Kindle Publishing. Start online trading. You can start online trading on stock market, forex binary option, or cryptocurrency. Please note that this online trading comes with risk, so master it before you start trading on any of them. Start online marketing. You can start selling digital or physical products online using marketplaces like Amazon, Etsy, your own website, eBay, or using your social media pages. You can as we start drop shipping to sell physical products. Start online gaming. You can make money through online gaming by streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or by participating in esports tournaments. Become a content creator. You can as well make money online by creating content on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, etc. In conclusion, please get the right knowledges on anyone you have decided to start. And be consistent.